This is a demo for the current implementation of the SFTP server upload of captures based on codes and barcodes. And the way we have that set up is that our Q1728 camera is looking for barcodes. And then whenever we press a button here at the office, it will get images from a few of our cameras and upload them to our server here under a folder named after the last scanned barcode. So I am just going to go in front of the camera to scan a barcode. Now we have a scanned barcode, so the images should be uploaded to the directory called 123456789. And now I'm going to press the button so the captures are actually taken from the cameras and uploaded to the server. So now I've pressed the button and we should see a directory appear here, yes, as well as images gathered from the 3 cameras that we have configured through the user interface in the FixedIT Data Agent. So here we have our 3 cameras configured, and they are the cameras that we are getting captures from. And if we check this image, we'll see that you can see me pressing the button right here. So now we're gonna go back and scan a different barcode. And the value for this barcode is code 1288. And now I'm going to press that button again. And if we go to our server, we should see a folder here with images from all 3 of our cameras. There we go. And once again, if we take the image, it should show me pressing the button.